we're going to be updating some of the assembly code for the PHI language. I'll be getting to the other graphics programming stuff soon, but I'm not there yet. I need to do a few maintenance type things. So on September 24th, which was, I believe, the day I uploaded the video on this, I had an error in the logging where essentially if you did a long int and then you did a short one, you'd have a tailing that's left over that didn't get overridden. So I found a solution to this, and that's just to add a 0 byte to the end, because that just tells it null, so end here, and then it just ends there. So it was a really simple solution. You can see the code here. Basically, I wanted to bring this up so that people know that I did it the same day. I just didn't make a video on it. So you literally just reference the position in the array and add it to EBX so that you can target that value and set it to 0. It's a really simple solution, and it worked. So, but what we're going to be doing today is similar. So here's my structural code for how everything is generated. And in this one, we're fixing the keyboard because if you remember correctly, in one of the graphics tutorials, I fixed the keyboard, and all this stuff is unnecessary. So we're going to be doing that today. So these can go away. We don't need them. And this becomes 0x0024 and 0x0026. And I believe that's all we need. So I need to build it to make sure that it updates, and then we got to test it. So, okay. So before, when we were using the IDE with old code, it would generate, okay, let's go to here. I think it's in here. It should be at the bottom somewhere. And I need to do highlighting for the ASM, because I don't have it right now. But before, there was a keyboard driver, and it was basically like all 4 commands. Yeah, here we are. So it uses the multiplication, it uses the AX0 and the ES, and then the ES location. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to rebuild, and I forget if is it arcade or is it hello? I think it's hello. Hello was the one that I was using. We'll probably have to build it twice here. Yep. I still got to deal with the file management so that doesn't happen. Okay, let's make sure everything works. Good, good, good. Looks like everything's working. So now let's get out of there. And this is, I believe, Drawing OS. So Drawing ASM, keyboard handler. Where is the keyboard setup? Keyboard event, setup keyboard input. Good, yeah, it's using the new stuff. All right, so that's all I needed to do.